How to contact Expedia support. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to cancel Expedia support. So if you want to cancel Expedia support, what you want to do is, first thing first, you want to open the Expedia app onto your device. And to contact, you just want to go to the account section from the bottom right corner of the screen. There, you just want to scroll down and you have these help and feedback section. Over here, you could go with a chat or maybe visit Help Center, share your feedback, or read our app as well. So you could go ahead and select chat now. This is going to help you with, it's going to provide you with the virtual assistant where you could directly contact them, chat with them, and just follow the on-screen prompt to contact Expedia support. And likewise, if you're having difficulty for following these method, you could exit out, open any browser that you have on your device, type in Expedia support, and there you go. You will be able to find the link. You could tap on it and start with your issues. So that's how you're going to contact Expedia support. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.